Hey, we're gonna try to make gummy bear size soap using leftovers from the Dinosaur Soap Lab. So the Dinosaur Soap Lab comes with 2 fragrances, 4 soap dyes, popsicle sticks, some melt and pour soap, and I will be using some leftover soap from our dinosaur project in a silicone pour cup. Hey guys, it's Shri the Day One Ninja, and let's make some cute soap today. Okay, I'm going to microwave this for 10 seconds, and let's get to pouring. This is just some leftover, I don't know what color, blue, with apple scent. Overfilled that one. Oop. Not very good at pouring, am I?
Turn it into
Oops. Eeks.
what eats? Why do you say eats?
I'm really bad at pouring things.
What?
Oops.
Why are you saying oops?
I'm trying not to overfill them, but they are all overfilling.
A little too much.
Yeah. Okay. Was that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I wonder if I can scrape off the excess. Put it in the cup. I just poured the excess, whatever was in the cup. Ooh, this is already hard. And okay.
I guess
so.
not.
I think so, but oh, it's just a little jelly.
A
I wonder
little
if I can
jelly.
move it around.
It's just jelly. It's a
It's
jelly.
just jelly. It's like,
Ooh.
see, part of it's dry.
Well, grape
I
jelly.
guess it wasn't enough to fill a domino. Pour more in there later. Anyways, let's unmold this and see what it looks like. They're just my testers because I've never actually used these molds for soap or made gummy bear soap.
Are they done?
I don't know.
Okay.
Let's try to pop one out.
Can I
Careful,
hold
hold on. Let me pour some the crumbs in the cup.
or some of the crumbs?
Oh,
The gummy-
how does it look?
The gummy bear.
Ooh, it's still a little bit not hard all the way.
Can I just have it?
Wait,
What? Wait.
let's see if we can focus. Alright, here is our gummy bear soap. So these molds are not shiny, so the soap's not going to be shiny. But hopefully you can see the detail on the little soap. How cute. Right, here's our first gummy bear soap. Okay, you can hold it now, baby. Don't eat it. It's not food, it's soap.
Gummy bear? Gummy bear?
Yeah. Add more melt and pour soap into my cup.
Can I put it in?
Oh, sure.
Can.
There you go. Put it in. Just drop it in.
Look, it got melted.
Yeah.
Look, it's ready.
Okay. And
Kind of look like it's ready.
alright, we got 4 drops of coloring. Alright, you got your scents. Green apple scent going in.
Can you add a little more?
Okay, you can put a little more. Oh, nice. Okay, mix it up.
Okay.
So cute.
Ooh, guess what? Just adding some color.
Oh, okay. What color? Can I see? How do I? Oh yeah, that's looking good. Alright, is it ready to pour?
Not yet.
We have to work fast or the wax is gonna harden again. There, okay. Let's see if I can pour and film at the same time. Where is my spout? Did it harden? Oh, snaz. It hardened. Okay, to remelt it. Be right back. I couldn't record the green pour because it happened so fast, but you can see I poured really horribly. And I'm gonna clean up the edges now before it gets too hard. But yeah, this is a really pretty green. I know. Even though this one looks a mess, when you peel them off, you can just peel off any excess and it should clean up nicely. Let's see if I can show you better detail here. But yeah, can you see that? Let's see if I can zoom on in. There's just some soap on my finger. But yeah, how cute. Wow! Take a look at our rainbow gummy bear soap in super slow motion. These are our final results. It was super fun and easy to make, and yeah, you can definitely personalize them with biodegradable glitter or chrome powder or mica powder, and it was just so fun and cute to do this with my son. And it's actually useful because you can use these soaps to wash your hands, and kids love using these little gummy bear soaps. Just make sure they're very, very aware that this is soap and not food. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below what you thought about this crafting project and how our gummy bear soaps turned out. Okay, see you next time. Bye!